Hello everyone, welcome to my home. I am Chef Tejji coming with a recipe. But before that, I have to admit that I got few allegations from few friend of mine. That is, I don't cook any veg food for them. Yes, so they are vegetarian. This episode is fully dedicated to all of my vegetarian friends who have asked me for some veg recipes. So today I'll be showing one recipe which is one of the best recipe I have ever seen because it is very healthy, very easy to cook, full of flavor, and it is from Gujarat. So let's start. I'll be making dhokla. Come to my kitchen. So let's start with the ingredients. First I'll show you for making the dhokla batter what I need. I need 100 grams of gram flour or besan, 150 grams of yogurt, some turmeric powder, some baking powder, and this is some softened butter. It is just to line the pot where I will be making the dhokla, and one packet of a sachet of ENO powder. So this is one part of the dhokla. I'll show you what I need for the water and the ingredients for the water. So of course some water, salt, sugar, vinegar, lemon, and some oil for tempering. Very little I need. And for the tempering I need curry leaves, mustard seeds, and green chili. You can also put some red chili as well. And for the garnishing, some coriander leaves. You can chop it also, but I will use some whole. If I need, maybe I can chop later. And some coconut grated. So let's start with cooking. So I'll make the dhokla in this plate. So now I will apply some softened butter on this and put it in the refrigerator. So do it nicely, then only your dhokla will come flawlessly. Make sure you switch on the pan where you will steam the dhokla, so that by the time your dhokla batter is ready, your steamer is also ready. So I put one pan, one iron stand, and a lid on the top of this container. That's it. Now let's start with making the batter. So here is the basin ready. I'll be using some lukewarm water, like where you can put the hand, this much of hot water for making the batter. So first some turmeric powder, very little, just for color. That's it. Very little, just like a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, and mix this dry ingredient properly. So little bit of baking powder, like half teaspoon, and mix also this ingredient. Now we'll add the yogurt. I'll use the half first and check the consistency. If I need, I will use all. I'm using the rest yogurt and again mix it. Now you can see this texture. It is like a very thick batter, but I need little liquid than this, so I will use some lukewarm water, like just one ladle, and mix it. And make sure that you whisk this batter for at least 4 to 5 minutes and incorporate this air inside the batter in this process. Then only your dhokla will rise like nice and fluffy. So now you can see it is nice and runny batter. Just cover it and keep it outside for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will show you what to do. It's time for adding the ENO, but make sure after adding the ENO, this batter should go to the steamer directly. So here is the tip how to add this ENO. First put little bit of water, and on this I'll be adding half sachet for 100 grams. So you can see it is getting the fizz, and mix it little bit. Do not mix it too much, then all the air will come out. Nicely mixed. Now I'll put it in the plate. You can see nice and hot steam coming out. Plate is going inside the steamer. I'll cover it, and with a damp cloth I will cover this air hole. Now it will take at least 20 to 25 minutes. By that time I'll show you how to make the dhokla water. When the pan is hot, I will add some oil, very little oil. When the oil is hot, I'll add the green chilies. So let the green chili get little bit of color. On this I will add the curry leaves and the mustard seeds. Now I will add water. Very good amount of water, around 750 ml. Now just season it with salt, sugar, vinegar and lemon juice. I'll add sugar, around 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoons of salt. I'll taste later. If I need, I'll add some more vinegar. 5 tablespoons. And I'll squeeze the lemon. I have taken half lemon. I'll just squeeze all. So when it gets a boil, just stir it and taste the water. So it is done. Switch it off and wait till the time your dhokla gets ready. So now it's time for opening and check. Just poke with a knife. No watery mixture on the knife, that means your dhokla is ready. So just cover it, switch off the gas, give a standing time for 5 minutes and take it out and cut it. I'll show you after that. Now you can see this dhokla is nicely coming out, leaving the sides. So just take it out on a chopping board and cut it. Dhokla is on the chopping board. I will allow it to get little room temperature. Now I am cutting into dices. Now pour the hot water, nicely covered. Just chill it. After that I will plate and show you how does it looks. So I am ready to present the dhokla. So here we go. Tan-ta-na! You can see the dhokla is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Happy cooking!